Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to slow down audio. For example, I will insert a video. You can click open file and I will use this video. Click open. Now you can attach this video into timeline. And if you want to slow down audio, I will detach the audio from video. Right click and then choose detach audio. Now you can select the audio and I will click like from this area, click split, then I will split again in here. You can move this audio to drag and then select the audio. Now go to properties tab and change for speed like we set into 0,8. You can click apply and then you can play. It will be automatically slow down the audio. Okay, that's it for basic shortcut tutorials how to slow down audio. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.